For those aiming for the highest income brackets, business ownership stands out as the most common path. Recent research from Sweden shows that the majority of top 1% earners are business owners, not employees. This pattern isn't unique to tech founders or high-profile entrepreneurs. Many top earners run mid-sized service companies, construction firms, or other businesses that rarely make headlines. The key difference lies in how income is generated. Business owners benefit from the profits of their entire enterprise, not just their own labor. This leverage allows everyday entrepreneurs to outpace even highly paid professionals. What sets business ownership apart is the nature of the skills involved. While corporate roles and traditional professions often demand high test scores and advanced degrees, running a successful business depends more on execution, persistence, and adaptability. Studies consistently find little correlation between founder IQ and long-term business success. Instead, practical abilities, like managing cash flow, acquiring clients, and building effective teams, matter far more than abstract reasoning or academic achievement. For example, in Sweden, most people earning well above the national average do so through business ownership, not by excelling on standardized tests. The structure of business income creates significant advantages. Unlike employees, who are limited by salary bands and performance reviews, business owners can scale their earnings by growing their operations. An owner with a small team can generate far more income than a solo professional, even if they personally work fewer hours. The ability to hire, delegate, and multiply output through others is a form of financial leverage that employment rarely matches. This is why owners of mid-sized firms often surpass the earnings of highly credentialed professionals, regardless of their own academic backgrounds. Another important factor is the compensation model. Employees, even at senior levels, face constraints from company policies and external oversight. Business owners, on the other hand, take profits directly and retain control over how they distribute earnings. This flexibility means that, with the right systems in place, owners can optimize for both income and lifestyle in ways that salaried roles cannot. In many cases, the majority of top earners in a given industry are not the most highly educated, but those who have built and managed successful enterprises. Educational credentials play a different role in entrepreneurship. While large corporations tend to filter candidates by degrees and test scores, business owners are more likely to succeed through hands-on experience and industry know-how. Surveys show that most top-earning business owners did not follow the traditional academic path. Instead, they learned through apprenticeships, on-the-job training, or by solving real-world problems as they arose. The skills that drive business growth, negotiation, leadership, process improvement, are rarely emphasized in formal education. Survival is another crucial aspect. Although many businesses fail in the early years, those that persist tend to generate substantial wealth for their owners. Data from Sweden and other developed countries reveal that surviving business owners have a much higher likelihood of entering the top income brackets compared to even the most successful employees. This survivorship effect highlights the unique opportunity business ownership offers for financial mobility. Access to capital can further tilt the odds. Well-funded businesses are more likely to survive and grow, regardless of the founder's intelligence level. Networks, family resources, or early financial backing often play a bigger role than cognitive ability in determining which ventures succeed. As a result, the path to high earnings through business is open to a broader range of people, not just those with elite academic credentials. Ultimately, the business owner advantage comes down to the structure of opportunity. Entrepreneurship rewards those who can spot gaps in the market, take action, and persist through setbacks. The traits that matter most, resilience, adaptability, and a willingness to act, are not the same as those measured by IQ tests or university exams. This is why business ownership remains the most reliable way to reach the highest income levels, even for those without exceptional intellectual gifts.